So good morning everyone. Student, today we are going to end our chapter manufacturing industries. I think since last 10 days we have been studying this chapter. Today just we are going to end it. I hope that whatever we studied in this chapter you got very well. But despite of it, if you are feeling any kind of trouble, any doubt, any query from this chapter, after completion of chapter, you can ask me through WhatsApp group. You are free to ask me anytime. But your doubts must be cleared. आपके डाउट क्लियर होने चाहिए. हम फ्री हैं, आप हमसे पूछते रहिए. After completion of this chapter, we will start political science. Because first chapter of political science, it will be the part of syllabus of credit test first. क्रेडिट टेस्ट फर्स्ट का ये पार्ट होगा पावर शेयरिंग. दैट्स व्हाई just after this chapter we have to start political science power sharing. Okay, we are studying manufacturing industries and today we will study control of environmental degradation. What is the control of uh, environmental degradation? You know, before it, yesterday we studied about, day after yesterday we studied about the types of pollution, in which we studied air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution and noise pollution. We left noise pollution. Once again I want to explain you what is the noise pollution and how much it is harmful for living beings, for human. You know, if we talk about the noise pollution, not only result in the irritation and anger, very important. In fact, we can observe in the society some of the diseases infected people. They are living neighborhood area, elders. Just you are making noise on the surrounding and neighborhood area. Either any method to make noise. Certainly, so many people just they create irritation. उनको झुंझुलाहट आएगी, उनको बड़ा गुस्सा आएगा. आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया हो, बड़े बुजुर्ग बैठे हो और आप यू चिल्ड्रन जस्ट स्टार्टिंग टू क्रिएट नॉइज, टू मेक नॉइज, और आप उनके कहते नहीं कि हमारे सिर पे चिल्ला रहे हो, हमारे सिर पे आपने ऊधम किया है, तो पता लगा कि वो छड़ी उठा के आपको दो चार लगा देंगे ना. तो ये इरिटेशन होता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, और इसके अलावा डिसीजेस लाइक ब्लड प्रेशर पेशेंट, हार्ट पेशेंट, डायबिटीज पेशेंट, other patient, so many diseases are there. If they are suffering from any diseases, certainly just they irritate with this type of noise. उनको भी झुंझुलाहट हो जाती है. और स्पेशली हाई ब्लड प्रेशर वाले पेशेंट को तो बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है, एंगर क्रिएट हो जाता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो कॉज हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट. इट मीन्स so many people you can observe in the society, just they are deep or down. गूंगे बहरे लोग आपने कभी देखे होंगे और सुने होंगे. They are not able to speak, they are not able to hear. लोग सुन नहीं पाते हैं, लोग बोल नहीं पाते हैं. इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम भी कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत बड़ा बैड इम्पैक्ट नॉइज पॉल्यूशन से आता है. Increase the heart rate and the blood pressure among other physiographic effects. Unwanted sound is important and source of stress. स्ट्रेस भी क्रिएट होता है अनवांटेड साउंड से. Imagine that just you are sitting any place, you are willing complete silence, but a situation is that this is the compulsion before you. You have set down the area of where so many hundreds of machines are operating. Machines are running and creating so much noise. फैक्ट्री चल रही है, कारखाना चल रहा है, बहुत बड़ी संख्या में मशीनें चल रही हैं, है ना, शोर शराबा, धाड़ बाड़, धम गज नॉइज हो रहा है, आप सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं, आप एक दूसरे से कहना चाहते हैं वॉट एवर यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट टू अदर पर्सन, जस्ट यू आर विस्परिंग इन ईयर, आप पता लगा कान में विस्परिंग कर रहे हैं, और उसके बावजूद भी ही और सी इज नॉट एबल टू हियर यू, और उसके बाद भी वो आपको सुन नहीं पा रहा है। तो ये कितना बड़ा समझ लीजिए आप हार्मफुल बैड इफेक्ट होता है इंडस्ट्रियल एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज, जहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा हो, इंडस्ट्रियल कारखाने चल रहे हो, मशीनें चल रही हो, मशीनरी, फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट, जनरेटर्स, जनरेटर चल रहे हो पावर जनरेट करने के लिए, एंड न्यूमेटिक एंड इलेक्ट्रिक ड्रिल्स चल रही हो, जो ड्रिल चलती हैं उसको शार्प करती हैं, इस तरह की ड्रिल होल करती हैं, वो ड्रिल चल रही हूँ, ऑल्सो मेक ए लॉट ऑफ नॉइज, एक बहुत बड़ा नॉइज क्रिएट होता है, राइट। जस्ट मूव कंट्रोल ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन, आई होप दैट पॉल्यूशन that is clear. So just in the conclusion, it is very important how to control environmental pollution, because of one hand we are going to increase the industrial area, one hand we are going to increase national economy by establishment of factory industry, but other hand we are going to increase pollution year to year, day to day. It could be very harmful in coming future for living being or human being. ये हमारे लिए कितना हार्मफुल होगा, ये कांट इमेजिन, आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं। दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नीड ऑफ आवर, वी हैव टू कंट्रोल सच टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन, दैट इज द नॉइज पोल्यूशन, दैट इज द वाटर पोल्यूशन एंड अदर काइंड ऑफ पोल्यूशन। एनी काइंड ऑफ पोल्यूशन इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस, पॉल्यूशन कैसा भी हो सभी हमारे लिए बहुत नुकसानदायक है। सो जस्ट स्टार्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन, एवरी liter of waste water discharged by our industry polluted 8 times for the quantity of fresh water. Very interesting fact, it means 1 liter wasted water, dirty water, okay, just it is it create 8 times fresh water in the polluted water, 8 times, 8 times means 8 लीटर। आप सोचिए 1 लीटर अगर गंदा पानी डिस्चार्ज करते हैं इन द फ्रेश वाटर स्ट्रीम, रिवर, एनी काइंड ऑफ वाटर सोर्स, इट just make 8 times dirty the fresh water, फ्रेश वाटर को 8 गुना डर्टी कर देता है। इट मीन्स आपने 1 लीटर गंदा पानी छोड़ दिया फ्रेश वाटर में, तो 8 लीटर 8 लीटर फ्रेश वाटर को कन्वर्ट इनटू डर्टी वाटर, एफ्लुएंट वाटर, वेस्टेज वाटर, ओके। तो आप सोचिए कि हमें कितना कंसर्न होना है टू कंट्रोल द वाटर पोल्यूशन, एज वेल एज हाउ कैन द इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन ऑफ द फ्रेश वाटर कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड। सम सजेशंस दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट सजेशन, that is minimizing use water of processing by reusing and recycling in 2 or the more successive stages, reusing and recycling. We can reuse water and recycling, you know, this is the first stage. Whatever we are using the water, we discharge from the effluent of the waste chemical from the industrial area and other uses or used water. After discharging, we can purify it, and after purification, there is no need to drink it, but also we can use it in other uses, washing, bathing, use in industry once again. So all the industries of the factory, they can install, they can establish treatment plant, water treatment plant, That's why they can recycle it, reuse it after purification by water treatment plant. Right? तो हमें रीयूज करना है और रिसाइकल करना है व्हाट एवर द वेस्ट वाटर, केमिकल वाटर, इंडस्ट्रियल वाटर, इफ्लुएंस वाटर, व्हाट एवर इज रिलीज फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री। ऐसा नहीं कि वन टाइम हमने सिंगल यूज करके छोड़ दिया एंड डिस्चार्जिंग इनटू द स्ट्रीम ऑफ द फ्रेश वाटर, नदी में छोड़ दिया, वो एक टाइम गंदा भी कर रहा है। अगर हम छोड़ेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें प्योर करके छोड़ना चाहिए। आफ्टर प्योरिफिकेशन वी कैन डिस्चार्ज इट, दैट इज द मेथड। Second one, harvesting of rainwater and meet to water requirement. Very important, already studied rainwater harvesting. Very popular and familiar. Rainwater harvesting. This method is adopted in our country in South India and semi and desert region of Rajasthan. There are two regions in our country. Tamil Nadu में वाटर की स्कैर्सिटी है, पानी की कमी है, along with the desert area or semi desert area of Kashmir and Rajasthan desert area, most of the people they are using rainwater harvesting, and after collecting in the tankers water they can use for a long term, either 1 month, 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, 60 days, 2 months. After purification, so many methods for purification of water we will study further. Third is treating hot water effluents before releasing them in river and ponds. Whatever the release of chemical water we want to discharge into river and pond, before it, that is the hot water, we have to cool it and we have to treat it. So why we can treat it? We can treat it by installing treatment plant. Such this is the factory, and whatever we are using the water for washing the equipment and tools, whatever we are drilling, and also we are cutting the tools and equipment, we are making the final product of the machinery and tools, we are using water. But after using the water, that is the collection of water, it must be a tank in a corner of factory. We should establish a tank along with water treatment plant, and here we can purify water, and thereafter we can release it. After purification, once again we can recycle it. Once again we can recycle it, we can reuse for washing, bathing, drilling, for equipments, tools, cutting, drilling in the factory, whatever we are making production. So the method must be adopted by each and every industry or owner or entrepreneur in our country. That's why this is the need of our due to the water scarcity. Right. Next, there are three methods how to purify the water. So that is the first, primary treatment by mechanical means. How we can purify it? There are three methods. First method to purify water, primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation and sedimentation. Also you studied this topic in science. वाटर को प्योरिफिकेशन कैसे करते हैं, आपने सेडिमेंटेशन पढ़ा होगा, ग्राइंडिंग पढ़ा होगा, स्क्रीनिंग आप जानते हैं। तो दीज आर द मेथड हम वाटर को प्योरीफाई बना सकते हैं 99%। सेकेंड, दैट इज द ट्रीटमेंट बाय बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस। वाटर में हम बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस करते हैं, वी कैन यूज एंड मिक्स सम ऑफ द बायो ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल and other method of biological, like we can spread over and we can pour on the earth surface, thereafter it earth will absorb it, and after a long period it will create and changed into a fresh water that they exhaust under the crust. That is the biological process. And C, tertiary treatment by biological, chemicals and physical process. This involves recycling of waste water. Third, that is the recycling and reusing by using chemicals. हम केमिकल डाल करके भी उसको प्योरीफाई कर सकते हैं, उसको एक प्योर वाटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर थ्री मेथड टू मेक प्यूरिफाई इट. ओके. Overdrawing of groundwater reserve by the industry, where there is a threat to groundwater resources, also need to be regulated legally, and particulate matter in the air can be reduced by fitting smoke stacks to factories with electrostatics and precipitators, fabric filter scrubbers, and internal separators. These are the method to purify carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbon. These are the poisonous gas released from chimneys of the industries, released from the silencer of the motor vehicles. It creates air pollution. So if we are using such type of method to purify the air, whatever we are releasing from the motor vehicles of the chimneys of the industries, so method is, once again I am repeating, प्रीसिपिटेशन यूज कर सकते हैं, फैब्रिक फिल्टर लगा सकते हैं, स्क्रबर जो कहीं ना कहीं यूज किए जाते हैं किसी चीज को जब शार्प करते हैं, छीलते हैं, ब्राइटनेस लाते हैं, वो जो कैच कर लेता है कार्बन के डस्ट पार्टिकल्स को, वो स्क्रबर होता है. एंड इनर्शियल सेपरेटर होते हैं. Nowadays, mostly the entrepreneurs or the factory manufacturers, they are producing the motor vehicles, just adopting new version of the high tech. Certainly, they focused on how to make it, how to produce it, that must be pollution free. So, just they got a technology in silencer of the motor vehicles. मोटर व्हीकल्स के साइलेंसर में एक न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है. सो दीज आर द टेक्नोलॉजी दे आर अडॉप्टिंग. यही वो टेक्नोलॉजी है. फिल्टर लगा रहे हैं, स्क्रबर लगा रहे हैं, सेपरेटर लगा रहे हैं, प्रीसिपिटेटर लगा रहे हैं, सो दैट इट कैन एब्जॉर्ब द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स और द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, वो वहीं पर पकड़ दे. उसके बाद उसको साफ कर दिया. ऐसे ही चिमनीज ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज स्क्रबर, we can use filters. It just adopt and observe or catch the particles of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. तो ये smoke that should not be flow in the sky, fly in the sky, and also there should not be increasement of air pollution. By these methods we can control it. Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal and factories. Whatever the coal we are burning to produce energy, instead of coal we can use oil, we can use gas. Before 20 years most of the kitchen or the people they are using to cook food, coal use किया करते थे. But nowadays coal is converted to gas. Most of the people in our country India, they are using for cooking food natural gas, LPG. So it can reduce air pollution. इससे air pollution reduce हो रहा है. And generator should be fitted with silencer. And generator are using in the companies, factory, institution, big building, apartments to provide energy or electricity. Certainly we should use silencer because of to control noise pollution along with air pollution. Almost all machinery can be designed increase energy efficiency and reduce noise. There should be needed to develop the technology how to make vehicles, how to make machinery that must be control the noise pollution, air pollution, and also we can increase the efficiency of new motor vehicles, new machinery. Also, we are developing the technology, whatever the production is doing in different industry of automobile industry, just they are producing a very good efficiency in the new version of machinery. जो नया वर्जन आता है, certainly we will get it increasement of efficiency. हमें efficiency ज़्यादा मिलती है. And noise absorbing material may be used apart from personal use of earplug and earphone. If we are working in the area of where so much noise is creating, certainly we have to use earplug, earphone. हमें earplug यूज करना चाहिए so that we can avoid the unnecessary unwanted sound. जो अनवांटेड साउंड है उससे हम बच सकें. So mostly the persons of the laborer and also the operator of machines, they are working in the factory. Certainly they are using the earplugs to avoid the unnecessary sounds. This is the need of our to control the noise pollution and to avoid the pollution. Move further, the challenge of sustainable development requires integration of economic development with environmental concern. Very big challenge. How to sustain sustainable development? But one hand we have to sustain the development, other hand we have to increase development, we have to increase production, we have to increase the establishment of factory or industry. So how we can balance it कि भाई environment भी damage ना हो, industry भी increase कर सके, production and manufacturing we would be able to increase it so that we can sell in the world market. After that we can draw foreign money, we can increase the exchange of money. It is very beneficial, very important for national economy. जो देश की इकोनॉमी बढ़ाएगा उसके लिए ये भी जरूरी है. तो हमें ये वेरी गुड कंसर्न है, सोचना पड़ेगा कि वन हैंड हमें इंक्रीज करना है इकोनॉमी को, अदर हैंड वी हैव नॉट टू डैमेज एनवायरनमेंट, वी हैव टू कंट्रोल और मेंटेन इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस भी बना के चलना है. सो एनटीपीसी शोज द वे. Whatever the NTPC, do you know about NTPC? Ishan Mishra, do you know NTPC? NTPC, NTPC National Thermal Power Corporation. It means these are the national public sector plant producing energy by burning coal. कोयला जला करके एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस की जाती है. वट एवर वी आर यूजिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल्सो वी आर यूजिंग इन द डोमेस्टिक फील्ड. डोमेस्टिक, ओके. So NTPC is a major power providing corporation in India. It has ISO certification for EMS, Environmental Management System 14001. It preserving the natural environment and resource like water, oil and gas and fuels in the places where it is setting up power plant. This has been possible. So how it made possible to control pollution? One hand they are producing energy, but other hand they are concerning about environmental pollution, how to control it. So these are the steps. NTPC ने बहुत सारी स्टेप अपनाए हैं so that NTPC plant can control the pollution. So first step, optimum utilization of equipment, adaptation, latest techniques and upgrading existing equipment. Whatever the establishment of installment of NTPC plant, the upgrading technology, advanced technology they adopted to make to produce energy through NTPC. B. Minimizing waste generation by maximizing ash utilization. Whatever the waste is in the form of ashes, वहां पर जब कोल जलेगा तो क्या निकलेगा, क्या बनेगा, आशीष, राख तैयार होगी. और जब राख तैयार होगी, it is very essential to utilize it. We should not discharge into the water directly. How to recycle, reuse, और कैसे रिसाइकिल किया जाए, कैसे यूज किया जाए, तो इसको मिनिमाइज करना है वेस्ट जनरेशन मटेरियल को. और वो कैसे, बाय मैक्सिमाइजिंग आश यूटिलाइजेशन. उस राख को, दैट आशीष, इन व्हाट वे वी कैन रिसाइकिल, रीयूज, यूटिलाइजेशन बढ़ाना चाहिए आशीष का. सी, थर्ड स्टेप, providing green belt for nurturing ecological balance and addressing the question of special purpose vehicles for afforestation. Very good. This is the single weapon that can control all kind of pollution. That is plantation. You know, plantation and trees belt around area of that is that is the NTPC plant. Okay, this is the surrounding area of NTPC plant. They have to plant so many trees in the form of a belt. उन्होंने क्या किया, एक बेल्ट के फॉर्म में ट्रीज लगा दिए. ओके, certainly it can reduce air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, all kind of pollution. Center belt of trees, you know, trees also interrupt the running voice of sound. जब ट्रीज की बैंड होती है तो साउंड भी पास नहीं कर पाती है. Air dust particles, carbon dioxide and other pollutants of air also the trees or leaves can absorb it in the form of process of photosynthesis. Biological process also be occurred by the plantation of trees. It will make purification of underground water. अंडरग्राउंड वाटर भी प्योर होगा. आप सोचिए, एयर पोल्यूशन भी रुकेगा, वाटर पोल्यूशन भी कंट्रोल होगा, नॉइज पोल्यूशन भी रुकेगा, थर्मल पोल्यूशन भी रुकेगा. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट मेथड टू adopt the center belt of trees around the area of thermal power plant. Okay, next D, reducing environmental pollution through osmosis pond management and water recycling system and liquid waste management. Very good system. That is the D. Whatever the osmosis is produced, NTPC plant, D number, osmosis, जो राख हम कहते हैं, that is also can be used for water management or pond management. Pond management, तालाब में इसको हमें pour करना चाहिए. So this is the pond. We should pour all the ashes whatever the produced from the NTPC plant. Certainly it is the water management system, it is the pond management system. We can reduce, we can recycle, we can manage the ashes whatever the produced from NTPC. Next E, ecological monitoring, review and online database management of all its power stations. How many power stations in the country? Certainly a public sector institution also always it can review the database how to manage the pollution, all kind of pollution, either the air, water, noise and thermal. So under custody of the authority of NTPC, the institution can review it, the institution can overview it, institution can supervise it, how to control pollution. So one hand we are installing NTPC and other hand we have to reduce pollution, control pollution. This is the need of our. I hope that student it is very clear today. Just we are going to end our chapter. I hope that each and every aspect, each and every term from this chapter, you got it cleared. So please tell me, reply, the chapter is clear or not? If any kind of doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp group, but there should not be leave any kind of doubt. Doubt छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. जितने भी डाउट हो आपको शेयर अवश्य करें. आपके मन में कभी कोई क्वेश्चन आए तो उसको अवश्य किया करो. ठीक है, आप लोग कंप्लीटली तो साइलेंट रहते हो ना एट द टाइम ऑफ जूम मीटिंग. हमें लगता है कि हम किससे बात कर रहे हैं, अकेले अपने आप से ही बोल रहे हैं कि ये चेयर टेबल क्लासरूम में खाली पड़ी है इनसे बात कर रहे हैं, कि फैन से पंखों से बात कर रहे हैं, कि दीवारों से बात कर रहे हैं. लाइव क्लास की फीलिंग आनी चाहिए चिल्ड्रन. ऐसा लगना चाहिए कभी कभी कि हाँ हम किसी से जुड़े हुए हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.